not like me. I never met my other I don't think you insult people, you embarrass them, you make them look like nobody. What is it? Is money everything? No, I know people should answer me. Is money everything?
Imo. Chief Imo worldwide. You know Basugi Weka.
Who know Basomi? Anyone they know Basolemi? Woman Basolemi? The church Basolemi? Tobias Basolemi? How can they hold Tobias? Tobias suffered and died. He died wretched. He died with nothing. Now that Tobias died, I went there for the burial. His brothers, where God will punish 1 million times without no mercy. They are there talking nonsense. What didn't they say? We contributed enough money for his funeral. Why this local casket? Why this local video people? Why is there this? Why is there that? The paint they use in painting the house is not bright enough. They would have made a beautiful decoration like 360 degree where he would lie in state. They would have worn him a glorious white accumulated dirty pure heaven white. Those I saw blank while he slept on a plank till he died. No brother came around. No sister came around. That man suffered with his children. He suffered and suffered and suffered. And while he has brothers over, he has a lot of people that would have helped him. But nobody cares. Even the church that he dedicated his life to. The church that he gave everything. Morning and night he was working for church. Nobody could see him through. Now that he died, they came down with fucking rubbish.
Group
WhatsApp group to family destructional chat. And I took almost 7-point-something million. But they did not open a WhatsApp chat during the time he was sick. 500,000 would have killed that man. From that federal polytechnic of hospital, Owerenga. They were demanding for 300,000 to start treatment. But nobody came. Only could not turn Tanato. Up to be a legal to 500. On we can do a bomba, a legal 500. And I have one bed, a legal bed, baggage bulosia. Brandjota, Tiga 1 million. We were about we and buy your tail by the Sion. They say he brought 2 million for debt. In debt, Christ of fruit, a property there. Chiefimo, you care for turkey or chicken? Say, I care for your mother's meat. What can he do when he was alive? He didn't eat. That man died of hunger with his children. Now the wife was there, they went and sold less. Woman will never wear less since ever her life. Even the ones where they wear, where they say they be rich people. Where are the lot of Christmas? You can bring some of your old clothes and dash to your brother's wife. Nobody could dash that woman, even a piece of wrapper, when the husband was alive. But now that the man is dead, they have to sew wrap. If you see the kind of lace that woman is on, you accumulated white. Why are not a lace? Look at it, one woman is. My brother, that one penny. I did it. I got my crony. What care? Why did you come out? Hello, you want to get down. Yes, all will tell when they got more. Give you show your dog. But I hear Sonia, you see, would you see Jacob? That body where you see in a body of a rich man. The head and his head, even the head, they have to crop his ear, come out. The only here they bring, I tell the camera with their computer zoom on you. If you are dicky here. So, what about Jacob, Lammo, Buri Huiso? Lammo. Not be him get the body who snap and picture. Walk out to watch you for 1 day. So that man where they laugh like that.
Already phone.
For Guinea. For the get mega souvenir. They were using phone to souvenir to people. Everybody was going home. If you see gift, they brought me. I said, no, I will not take part in this dance of shame. Because I am a man of integrity. I am a God-fearing person. Christianity is not by mouth. You go around making noise. Die. Hey. But you don't act it. Christianity is supposed to come from inside. Your actions should show that you are a Christian. And not when you talk. Talking is just talking, making noise. If you are a Christian, you should live like one. Live like Christ. Let your action People around you should be affected positively. People that come across you, they should smile home. Don't always make people around you uncomfortable because you say you are serving God. You always condemn everything.
I'm Cindy Panam Dacharama, Jiburia, Nasin.
Working on a horse. Horse. Get your horse with a tyrant. Yeah, Charlotte, Jesus, Bush Damascus, Jericho. I will say, Tobias.
I say when they to Ligi.
I now to Tobias, what can I do to talk about water orange? Young one, I don't believe in Orinosu. That time that I am alive, if you are not able to affect me positively, forget it.
Always you.
Anything that you cannot tell me, brother, this thing where you do no good.
Child.
Sister, this thing where you do me no good and no like her. Tell that person when he will be able to tell you, I am sorry. Any other thing you are saying behind a dead man, you will suffer forever for it. Child. Anybody that will come out and speak ill against the dead. But when the person was alive, you have opportunity to meet him face to face, man to man, and tell him, this is what you're doing. This is what you did to me. I am not happy about it. And you kept quiet. Once the person died, you go there, you begin to open mouth. I saw some church members there. When you're a little white, and I was in Eruari.
I know the church.
Church is no longer what it used to be. But one thing I know and I'm sure of is that Christ remained the same. The foundation of God remains the same, is unshakable. If the people that are called by my name can change, God cannot change. God is Abama. From everlasting to since I was born till now that I am getting old, I have never heard or seen or not that God changed it. Everybody can change. I don't care. I am an orthopedic and apostolic. The only thing you can do for yourself now is to change. Some people will hear it. This brother, this man. Some will not even take this message now. They'll begin to find fault. Chifimo said this. Chifimo said that. But this message is for everybody that is living. Because it's a message of hope. They will not see it. They will not take it. They will begin to find fault. They will not see the good ones. They are not trying to make a mistake. For them to start talking. Heaven will speak against you. My Father in heaven will come against you. And myself, I am already against you. So please, share this message. Let it go around. Because he has eaten deep in the life of our brothers, sisters, everybody, even you that are watching me. You know you are guilty of what I'm saying now. Share this message. If you love God, and if you love this message, if you want to save one another, sharing this message will do us a lot of good than bad. May good Lord bless us and give us the mind to live like Christ-like. Because that's what matters. And at the end, I say, I don't know you. Shame.
Chiefimo, my gun about reading in Cambodia, when he was on Posa. I know I'm he could them, I'm the man he could, but my gun really, Maria. Huh?
You're one of them.
I'm one.